you said it never ends in two, and now you let it go. And now you let it go.